two significant Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 upgrades may not occur after all. According to reputable leaker Ice Universe, certain exciting speculated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 upgrades may not be coming to the upcoming foldable. First, contrary to prior speculations, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not be IP58 dust/water resistant, according to IU's sources. Hopefully, this still means that the upcoming Z Fold, like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and earlier generations, will be IPX8 certified, making it as water resistant as other premium smartphones. However, having a guarantee of keeping dust away from the foldable's sensitive components was something we were looking forward to, as a significant step forward in foldable phone longevity. According to IU's sources, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display crease is same to the Z Fold 4. This seems weird given that we've heard stories about Samsung changing the hinge on the Z Fold 5 to enhance it in a variety of ways. One of them was Samsung using the same water drop hinge design as other recent foldable phones, which should lessen the crease. So either all of the stories regarding the hinge adjustments were false, or Samsung did something with their own water drop mechanism that left the crease exactly as noticeable as before. That isn't a big concern for its prospects against the Google Pixel Fold, which also has a big line down the center of the inner display, but it would leave the Z Fold 5 susceptible against future rivals with fewer noticeable creases. Ice Universe just revealed some disappointing Galaxy Z Fold 5 information, including the allegation that there would be no camera upgrades from the Z Fold 4. According to some sources, the Z Fold 5 will have a new processor and its hinge will be tested to resist more folds than before. However, we won't see a complete revamp of Samsung's bigger foldable until the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The claimed Samsung staff statement that the upgrades hardly entitle the new phone to be called a Galaxy Z Fold 4 sums it all up. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 receives a significant update, with a big cover display. It's still a totally distinct form of foldable, geared for compactness rather than expansiveness. Even so, the Z Flip may 5th be Samsung's best foldable this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.